This is just a quick video review on a Spigen phone case for iPhone 8 or iPhone 7. So I've got a new iPhone 8 here. I previously have an iPhone 6s, which is what I'm using to record this video on. And I previously had a, I think it's Cordobe phone case for it, and it has been pretty much a good compromise between being nice and thin, excuse it's dirty, nice and thin, but also giving itself some sort of protection. It wraps right around the edge of the phone face itself, so it offers some protection as well if it lands sort of face down like that. So I believe this is going to be a similar product. However, this was some $35 when I bought it online, when I bought my 6S. It's got a few nicks and bumps and scratches on it, but look, it's done its job at protecting my phone. Obviously it doesn't fit the 8 or 7 because of these, the camera holes are all different, so they're a lot bigger on the newer phones. So I've got this one here, which I bought online for $13. And yeah, so I'm going to unbox it and see what it is like. So you'll have to excuse the one-handed unboxing video. Okay, so it's a nice little box. Got all of the critical information on it. Made in South Korea. Green campaign, blah 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 blah. Got all their Facebook, Twitter, etc. etc. That's the model number that I'm using. Okay, so pop it out of the case. Okay, it, as I thought, is pretty much exactly the same as my that Cordobe, or whatever you want to pronounce it. It's a satin black, very very smooth to the touch. Now it's got some real click or something, whatever they call it, buttons. Apparently you can feel the same click as the, or you can at least feel the click. They're precise cut or laser cut slots, whatever they want to call them. So yeah, the quality of it feels very very good. Feels just as good, if not better, maybe because it's dirty, than this one. Very similar product. There was a few different finishes. There was like a sort of like a pattern, or there was a couple of different colors. I just chose the smooth black for this. So yeah, I'll fit it to the phone now. I'll need 2 hands for that, and show you quickly what it looks like on the phone. Okay, that's what it looks like fitted to the phone. Very very precise fit. All of the holes line up. There's more than enough space down here to fit in some of the more bulky chargers if you're not using a genuine Apple charger. Sometimes the plastic fittings around there can be a bit bulky, and some phone cases that you might need to sort of, you know, pop the bottom of the case down to plug it in. That's always annoying. This one I don't think you'll ever have that problem with. There's ample room there for that. You can see there's a little bit of a ledge there, so even if it falls face down, providing it's on a flat surface, it's not going to touch the screen. If it falls down on rocks, of course, there's going to be some sort of issues there. But yeah, the nice little logo there. The buttons are very very precise and direct, and if you can hear it, I'll get nice and close. If you can hear that. So you've got all the a nice touch to the buttons as well, which yeah, I think it makes a bit of a difference when you're trying to use like a really cheap quality one. It's sort of, you lose that feeling of trying to turn the volume up and down and things like that. So so yeah, you still get all of that feeling there. So no, it's very good case, I think, especially for the money. Very cheap, very slim. Doesn't get very bulky in your pocket, which is why I wanted a case like this. Anything bigger, I feel, because I don't work out in you know, on site or outdoors or anything like that, I need a slim case that I can take to the office and things like that. So this case is probably perfect for me and what I need it for. All right, thanks, guys.